This is the Poseidon M60 by ULTIMEA, a 5.1 Dolby Atmos soundbar with real surround sound under $100. Let's jump in. I'll start off by unboxing it. You get a user manual, an HDMI cable, the power adapter, mounting hardware, the soundbar, and the subwoofer. The soundbar comes in two pieces, a left and the right side, which attach in the center. This soundbar has a total of 5 built-in speakers, of which 2 are side-firing drivers, which work to create a wide surround without having rear speakers. On top you have the touch capacitive buttons, which consist of the power button, the input button, Bluetooth on and off, and volume buttons. On the back, there's an eARC HDMI port, an optical port, USB Type-A port, the sub-out, and the DC power in. As for the bottom, there are some vent cutouts or ports. With the base MX technology, the wooden subwoofer with a 5.25-inch driver delivers a deep and powerful bass. The large cabinet or wooden housing gives it greater air displacement, which lets you really feel the low-frequency bass. This system provides a 300-watt output using the 5 speakers and the subwoofer. Whether there's subtle sound being played or explosive action scenes in a movie, you'll get a nice loud cinematic experience. The ULTIMEA app can be downloaded from the Play or App Store, which will allow you to easily tune or customize the soundbar settings. You can select from 6 preset categories: movie, music, voice, sport, game, or night. From here you can also customize the bass, mid-range, and treble levels. On the top tab, you can select Customize and more fine-tune the levels and save them as a preset. You can also select Style and select a dot closer to bass if you want more bass, rock, classical, or pop. You can also select in between 2 styles to get a little bit of both. Track selection, volume, as well as source can be selected from the app as well. If you don't want to use the app, the included remote control can be used to make adjustments and select inputs as well. Overall, this is a good quality soundbar which delivers good sound and deep bass. For the price, it won't break the bank and delivers a better and upgraded experience compared to standard TV speakers. I'll place links in the description for anyone who's interested, and I'll see you in the next video.